So the next trick we're showing you is tidal wave. Looks like this. Starts with a throw, you swing it out. It's actually kind of like your first real loop. A loop looks like this. So a tidal wave is almost half that. You're swinging it out and you're kind of getting the loop motion. To practice this, what you want to do is you throw a strong sleeper. I take my non-throw hand and I bring it up to the string like so. And I swing the yo-yo up out in front of me just like that. You want your hand pretty close to the yo-yo, not this close, but maybe right about there. It's just enough so that you can swing it a little bit back and forth, because the next thing you're actually going to do is swing the yo-yo straight up and release it. And the first few times you do this, you can actually just try swinging it and catching. It's a good way to just practice the initial motion of it. And then what you're actually going to do is, instead of catching it, you're going to let it swing and then you're going to throw it back out. The motion is like this. It's actually throwing it back out. So I bring it up, I swing, and I throw it back out just like that. So one more time. Swing it up, shoot it around, throw it back out. That's called tidal wave. One more time. It's the most basic way to start your looping tricks. And once you have that, you're going to be ready to learn a loop.